Hi everyone. Now that you've learned a little bit about layers, selections, and masks, we are going to explore more things that you can do with those things. Specifically, we are going to take a look at transforms, blending modes, layers, styles, clipping masks, and adjustment layers. Transforms help us change the size and shape of objects in our page. We're going to start the lessons out taking a look at those. Then we'll look at blending modes. Blending modes combine layers in interesting ways that result in them looking different than how they first started. Then we'll look at adjustment layers. Adjustment layers let you change the color, brightness, contrast, and other properties of an image or objects in a layer. And finally, we'll look at clipping masks. Clipping masks allow you to apply certain changes to a specific part of a layer that is located below the clipping mask. So as you're doing this, please remember to reach out to me with questions while you're going through all of these lessons. You've got this.